Did you know that there's an estimated 5 million older adults who are being abused, neglected, or financially exploited? During Elder Abuse Awareness Month, I am speaking with members from our Adult Protective Services Collaborative, and today I am glad to introduce to you Natasha Petricola, who is our Deputy Administrator for Senior and Adult Services. So Natasha, can you tell us about what you do as a Deputy Administrator for Senior and Adult Services?
I'm responsible for the oversight of adult protective services cases that come into our agency. In Cuyahoga County, the Division of Senior and Adult Services is the entity responsible for investigating allegations of abuse, exploitation, self-neglect of those seniors in our community who are residing in their own homes who are over the age of 60. We employ 26 social service workers who conduct the investigations. We follow the state mandate that is given to us through the Ohio Department of Job and Family Services, and we make the home visits, we develop safety plans, complete risk assessments, so we ensure that that senior, by the time we're done with them, either the risk is alleviated or we take measures to ensure their safety.
Can you talk a little bit about centralized intake? Because I think it's important for viewers to know how to reach out to us.
So if somebody would like to make a call regarding a senior that they suspect is being abused, exploited, or self-neglecting or neglected in the community, they call our 216-420-6770 number Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 4:30. On weekends and the holidays, we have 24-hour coverage, but that line rolls over to the children's hotline, the 696 Kids number. It automatically does that, so people don't have to worry about calling another number. And then what will happen is the children's hotline will typically call one of the supervisors, myself, or one of the chiefs who are also in community programs to discuss any relevant cases that they feel are an imminent risk and need immediate attention. We also have that availability through weekend hours and holidays. And we also have a web portal that people can access through the Division of Senior and Adult Services website. And it's simple. You just click on the web portal link and it takes you right to the survey, and you basically have to answer 3 questions. We do practice anonymity, so when we go out we do not reveal who the referent is, but we ask that if you're making a web portal referral, you do provide your information in the event that one of our intake staff have to call back and get more information regarding the client that you're suspecting is being abused, neglected, or exploited. The hotline, though, if you want to remain anonymous, you call the 420-6700 number, and they will take your intake by one of our live specialists who are on the phone.
Okay. Given the work that you've been doing locally, I understand that you, in your role, that you're responsible for convening the Adult Protective Services Collaborative team. Can you talk a little bit about this network of professionals that come together to talk about interventions to protect against abuse?
Sure. Our Adult Protective Services I-Team, which we fondly call the Adult Protective Collaborative in Cuyahoga County.
Which I like collaborative.
So do I. Was originated in 2011. The state made it a mandate for all 88 counties to have a multidisciplinary team in 2015. So we were kind of ahead of the curve. Actually, this morning we had a steering committee meeting where we bounce ideas around about what kind of education and awareness we have to give to our members and other people in the community regarding elder abuse. So basically our I-Team convenes every second Monday of the month. We meet in a neutral location. We have a variety of members who sometimes we have those that are very loyal and that attend every meeting religiously, and we have those who come on an as-need basis. Those meetings are intended for people with multiple disciplinary backgrounds, from hospital settings, doctors, geriatricians, attorneys, people who are in law enforcement, to come and convene and talk about difficult cases they may be experiencing in the community, especially when they're stuck and not sure what alternative to take. We also do educational component to our collaborative. Recently we had a guardian workshop where we partner with other people in the community and talked about the process of guardianship. So the collaborative has grown, not that we only talk about cases, but we talk about just awareness in general and making sure that everyone is educated on this dilemma of adult abuse.
Now, if someone wants to get involved in a collaborative, how would they do that?
They can access collaborative information through our Division of Senior and Adult website, and there's a link that would take them to information on how to contact either myself or the co-facilitator, who's Janelle Leonard. And then we would get them the email information, invite them to the collaborative, provide them information on how to refer a case if it's a difficult case and they require a case counsel. We would also encourage them to sign our confidentiality rules, because even though we practice anonymity there as well and we don't bring the client's name forthright, we do ask that everybody there is held to the same standard that anyone else would be when we're talking about delicate subject matter.
Well, thank you for all that you do for Cuyahoga County, and your wisdom and expertise is so important, and thank you for all that you do.